This AI project raised $1.5 million and is ready for the next leg up. Look at this beautiful chart. So this is the chart of Nura Labs. It is an AI crypto wallet, which I tell you more about later on. But this crypto project did amazing for all of us. If you followed my last tweets, I announced them like, hey, these guys are having a pre-sale, and after the pre-sale was closed, we made already 80%, and if you still hold it afterwards, it was even worth 200% since my last announcement. So I'm super bullish on this project, especially because of the price action. It gives us a new opportunity for long-term of this project. So what I want to talk about in this video is, what is Nura Labs? Because an AI crypto wallet. What can I tell you more about this project? Is there more? Yes, I want to highlight the most important tweets. And the first thing that I want to tell you is the guys are getting listed on MEXC. As you see in the current tweet here, Nura Labs is officially available on MEXC. What does this mean? Like, it takes and costs a lot of money to get listed on exchanges. So which means it just happened. The price action is back at the bottom zone, which means the guys are ready for the next move. They are improving the brand awareness, and there is way more to come. So first, let's take a look at the pink sale page. We can see the guys did a pink sale of $1.5 million in the current market situation, which is like amazing. Like, there is so much interest into this project. 1.5 million is a lot of money, and they can use it for the development of this project. A nice thing also is that the guys have 100% unlock for everybody here. So all the tokens for the pre-sale are on the market right now, and still it performed very well. If we click on market cap, we see it reached an all-time high of 9 million, currently 4 million. So we have potential to get back to all-time high if the team keeps on doing what they're doing right now. So let's get to the website. What is Nura Labs? It is a crypto wallet with AI functions. And when we scroll more down, we see more information about what kind of functions. It launched, and another thing that is very nice, it has an official US patent. We hold a pending US patent in fields of autonomous systems, focusing on gas fee optimization, time efficient, and improving safety, security, and way more things. So the guys have a unique product that is not there on the market yet. So what is inside this wallet? We can see they have a higher staking reward by picking the best protocol. So the AI is checking like, hey, what is the best protocol for you to stake your tokens, which gives you a higher staking reward in return. There's also less time needed for your portfolio because, do you understand, like when you have wallets and stuff like that, it's very hard to manage these things. They want to improve this with AI. Nura Labs is improving this. There's also a better return with smarter diversification strategies and also lower gas fees by using smart timings. Here we can also see the official patent, US provision application number 63198, and the other numbers. But is there more? Yes. So a simple, secure, multi-chain wallet built for the speed and complexity of modern DeFi. Because right now we have MetaMask, we have Phantom and stuff like that. But all of these wallets, what do they have? It's like it's super simple and easy to use. But they're missing some functions that can improve for you, like a more experienced investor, the functionalities. It is currently all available in the Google Play Store, and very soon it will also be available in the App Store. So which function is AI in the wallet? What we can see here is they have an AI agent. And this AI agent can help you analyzing trends inside the market. By analyzing trends and finding opportunities and assisting with smart automating trades all in real time, so you don't have to do anything. And if you want to know more about that, you can click on more info on the website. But right now I keep it more simple and also not too detailed, but just simple that you understand, hey, what are the guys building? So is there more? Yes, there is more. There are also applications in Nura, which features like a debt marketplace, allowing users to also instantly discover and use top decentralization apps across every major blockchain, and for maybe some airdrop hunters or reward hunters, which reminds me of the Pi network. We all remember that, right? The application of Pi was like tap to earn, you earn points, you do some things, and then you get your mining stuff. So here, start mining with a tap and get rewarded in Nura, which means you can mine Nura tokens in your wallet for free. You get it, earn some money by doing these things. And of course, you will not get like a millionaire or something from this, but still like a decent income from only tapping and getting rewarded for that. Imagine at this low price, because we will get back to the chart later on. Imagine you're farming them right now and the price does a 10x from here. That is only a 40 million. You still have all of these tokens and it costs you nothing. So it's still nice to just try it out to mine some Nura. So the Nura model have 3 different kind of revenue models. The first one is transaction fees. Also, they will implement advertisement opportunities and of course integrations into the wallet application. So let's get back first to the chart and give me my thoughts about this project, the chart, the price action and stuff like that. After that, I go to the Twitter page, highlighting the most important tweets, and that's it, guys. So we are almost there. We're just almost done. So right now we are sitting at 4 million, which is still super low market cap for me personally. Like I'm thinking like 4 million is very good, especially with a product like this. Like 4 million, if we do a 10x from here, it's 40 million. Most projects with decent utility and decent traction get to 40 million, like in an easy way. Like, of course, nothing is guaranteed, but still 40 million is decent. Like 100x is 400 million. You will get to a higher ranking on CoinMarketCap. And currently we are seeing it's also hot 13 right now. And hot 13, like it means the hottest pair on Ethereum of today, with only a $4 million market cap. Volume is 1 million. So also nice. So what do I think? I think personally that we had the launch. A lot of people were buying and selling in the first like hours, maybe the first day, and then people start buying, the price is increasing, but the people who bought here and also the pre-sale, they are selling, which results in a push down, which results people who bought here are also selling, which drive the price back low. Then we saw another run, second one, we got reacted, and now we are back. So what we want to see here right now is if the team keeps doing what they're doing right now, which means exchange listings, more marketing and stuff like that, which is happening already right now, I expect personally that the trend can be a reversal and that we can see ourselves back to all-time high area. So I am buying more during these levels in this zone. And why? I prefer to buy in these levels compared to like when only thing is green, because when you buy in green, you know there will be a pullback. You don't know when, but it will happen. But when you buy here, of course, maybe we can risk if we get back to here. So when we do this thing, like we are risking below here, we have a limit order here. Like if we get back to here, I'm selling, then I'm out. But if we get back to all-time high area, we have a risk opportunity from 3.47. So which means we are losing 30%, but we can win 105%, which is a nice opportunity for a trade, right? That is the reason I'm always buying like when things are going down and not going up, because wait for the reaction. There's always an opportunity which gives you a better price, because when you bought here or when you bought here, you are not in a profit. When you waited here, you are already maybe in like a small profit. It's like 15%. So don't get FOMO in for yourself, always wait for the right opportunity. So what are the most important tweets of this project? First one, of course, Maxi listing is on the way. So it is already listed on the 25th of June. There is another update coming for the Nura wallet. So way more to come also. Also, Lightbank did a post about it. I'm not sure if they listed already or not, but I think yes. And they're organizing an AMA with listeners of 23.1K. It was yesterday. And oh, nice numbers. 23.1K is a lot of listeners for in Twitter space right now. Is there more, guys? Is there more? We can also see that more than 1,000 people already downloaded the Nura app since 2 days. This is also a nice thing. And especially when the Apple Store is also opening up the ways for Nura Wallet, I really think it has way more potential, because MetaMask and Phantom are nice, like I said before, but I'm missing some nice integrations which can help you for the crypto journey. Maybe in the future we have like speech where like, hey, I want to do this trade, can you do this for me? Or can you make a list of which wallet have some dust tokens, can you sell them for me? Like AI can do a lot of things, right? And it can save you a lot of time. So there's a lot of possibilities for AI into wallets, because like I said, MetaMask and Phantom are not easy to use, but still a little bit outdated. So guys, another exchange listing, Polynex exchange listing, also listing Nura Labs. So I am buying more at this price, 4 million. Who knows what will bring the future, but don't tell me that I didn't tell you. Thanks for watching, guys. I see you in the next one. Bye bye.